students, now we are in higher secondary stage. According to Modelier Commission, there are 4 objectives of higher secondary education. Why a student of higher secondary student should know all these things? Because if you do not know what is your objective in higher secondary, then your study will be completely meaningless. First of all, the first objective of higher secondary course is that you have to be an ideal citizen. That means after the completion of your higher secondary, you have to be a very good citizen, ideal citizen of this country. You have to be true citizen of this country. You have to inculcate all the qualities which is needed to be an ideal citizen of this country. So my dear student, please mind it, you are in higher secondary stage, and after this higher secondary stage, if you do not be an ideal citizen of this country, then what will be the future of this country? In your hand, the future of this country is dependent, and for that reason, Hunter Commission most probably once recommended that the destiny of India is being shaped in our classroom. So if you are failed, then our country will be failed. If you are failed, our society and our community will be failed. So mind this, the first objective of higher secondary education is that you have to be an ideal citizen. So whatever quality you have to achieve in these 2 years. Secondly, to develop the capacity of earning. After this higher secondary stage, you will be an adult person. You will cross your teenage stage, and at that time you must be able to do earning for your family. Most of you have to completely lead your family, and for that reason your result is must. Without having a good result, you cannot get any job. As a result, what will happen? As a result, you will be in problem. So this is the second objectives of higher secondary education. Third, quality leadership. My dear student, quality leadership is very, very essential. And in higher secondary stage, you have to get that quality leadership. Because in our India, in our Assam, we are facing the crisis of the leadership. We are not finding the quality leadership. We are finding a leader who becomes the leaders of one community. If he may be prime minister, he may be the chief minister. If we hear or listen to his speech, at that time we find that he is a prime minister of a section of the community. He is the chief minister of the section of the community. So if you do not have such kind of quality, if you don't inculcate such kind of quality in your higher secondary stage, then you cannot be a true leader. You may be leader of one community or one section of the community. So to be the true leader, you must inculcate all the qualities which is needed to be good leader. And fourth quality is that you must develop the human virtues. Nowadays, already our coordinator sir has told in his speech that we also see the character. We also see the qualities of that teacher while selecting any teachers. So human virtues you have to acquire in these 2 years. If you do not inculcate the qualities of sympathy, if you do not inculcate the qualities of the empathy, if you don't have the quality of confidence, then everything will go in vain. So my dear student, in these 2 years, you have to inculcate all these qualities to be a good leader, to be a good earner, to be a good human being in future.